Dear teachers and principals, welcome back to the SOF Brochure series. In this video, we will guide you on how to fill out the student registration sheets in the SOF brochure. These sheets are to be filled by the teachers. Here, you have to fill the SOF school code provided by SOF. Next, fill in each student's details such as name, class, section and mobile number. If students wish to participate in multiple exams, teachers can mark the corresponding check boxes on the forms to select multiple subjects. In the brochure, you will receive 12 registration sheets for classes 1 to 12 for 60 students. In case the registered students exceed, there is an extra G sheet which can be photocopied if needed, or you can send us email regarding more sheet requirement. Double check all the information on the sheet before submitting. Note, please write names in block letters only. The WhatsApp number provided above will be used to communicate information related to SOF exams, including registrations, preparatory materials, schedule of exams, results, awards and other useful details. We hope this video made the process clear and simple. Stay connected for more videos from the SOF Brochure series.